Are you tired of opening every single email just to see what it says? Today, I'm going to show you how to preview your emails in Outlook in just a few simple steps, saving you time and boosting your productivity. Whether you're new to Outlook or just looking to work smarter, this full 2025 guide has got you covered. First, head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page and sign in with your credentials. If you haven't already, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. Once logged in, click on the Mail option to open your inbox. This is your central hub for all your messages. Now, to enable email previews, go to the menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down, select Messages and then choose Message Preview. Here, you can decide how much of each email you want to see without opening it. Turn on Show Preview Text, and just like that, you'll get a snippet of every email directly in your inbox. This simple feature lets you quickly scan your messages, prioritize what needs your attention, and skip emails that can wait. It's an instant way to save time, reduce clutter, and stay organized. And that's it. By enabling message previews in Outlook, you've taken a big step toward managing your inbox more efficiently and effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments. Happy emailing!